Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use TikTok Notes app for beginners. Let's jump right into my phone and find the TikTok Notes app. It's only available in certain regions like Canada and Australia. Search for TikTok Notes in the App Store or Play Store. The app has a black background with green check marks. I already have it, so I'm going to open it. When you first get it, it will allow you to connect it to your existing TikTok account. As long as you're logged into TikTok, it automatically syncs the two accounts. Note that it doesn't transfer over any of your followers, so it is a brand new start. As you can see, this is my profile with 0 followers and 0 following. Here you can see the notifications with the bell icon. It's very standard and looks like most other apps. If you want to post something, click the plus icon. You can create stuff within the app or give it access to your content library like photos and videos. There is also a search bar where you can search via keywords. For example, let's search for food. It will show you content based on that keyword. The primary place for consuming content is your homepage. This is what the homepage looks like, and it has a For You page just like in TikTok. There is also a following page, but since I don't follow anyone, it says that right now. I'll go back to the For You page. The content is primarily based on your geographic location. Without any following, it's largely geographically based, but soon it will also be interest-based based on your activity. This is the feed. The major difference here is it's all photos. One thing that's very different from TikTok is when you click on a post, you can't keep scrolling. You can't endlessly scroll through content because all you see is the post you selected. You can swipe through it if it's a carousel and you can see the caption, but that's it. I'll show you an example of a carousel. Here's one. You can swipe through it like on Instagram. The viewing experience isn't perfect and it feels a bit clunky. The aspect ratio might not be perfect for these photos, so it looks a bit awkward. It gives me Pinterest vibes, but not in a good way. This might appeal to a younger generation that didn't fully use Instagram, but for someone who grew up with Instagram, this is a far worse experience. So this is TikTok Notes. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments below. And that's it for today. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.